It's going to be a very busy number of days here in South Florida. We are watching Subtropical Storm Alberto. Right now, not very well organized, but it will start to get stronger over the next couple of days, and it will send a lot of deep tropical moisture into South Florida and bring us some locally heavy rainfall. The problem is we've had so much rain over the last couple of days that the ground is saturated, and any additional rain could lead to flooding. So something that we'll have to watch over the next few days. But in the meantime, here's the latest. Right now, the storm system very disorganized. It's battling a lot of wind shear, battling a lot of dry air. All the thunderstorms are here, but the center is actually just to the east of Cancun. But as the storm system makes its way into the Gulf of Mexico, as we head into tonight and into tomorrow, it will start to get a little bit stronger. So by the time we get to early tomorrow morning, Sunday, 2 a.m., it's about 300 miles to the west of South Florida. So not so much of a wind event for us because it's so far away, but it will be a big rain event since it will feed in a lot of deep tropical moisture over the next 2 to 3 days. Then after that, it's going to make its way up towards Mobile, Alabama. Looks like it'll make landfall shortly after midnight, Monday night into Tuesday morning. A strong tropical storm at this point with winds of 60 to 65 miles an hour. Then after that, it's going to race northward where it will start to fall apart. But closer to home, we have a flood watch in effect for the entire area. Again, about 10 inches of rain fell in the last few days, so the ground is saturated. The additional rainfall will only lead to some flooding, so something we'll have to monitor. We could see an additional 2 to 4 inches of rain by the time we get to Monday, maybe even more underneath some of those heavier downpours. So there's all the rain heading our way. At the moment, we're generally dry, but the rain will start to pick on up over the next 2 to 3 hours as it makes its way into our area. So during the morning hours, just a few showers. By lunchtime, the rain is steadier. And then as we head towards the evening hours, the rain could be quite heavy. Overnight tonight, it could be pretty stormy, maybe a few strong storms, maybe a few tornadoes. We'll talk about that coming up.
And for real-time updates on Subtropical Storm Alberto, go to WPTV.com. Right there, you'll find all the latest storm tracks, live radar, and useful links to help keep you prepared. And also, it's a good time to make sure you have that free WPTV mobile app for breaking weather alerts throughout the weekend.